Hello everyone. So many students are worried after the results that उन्होंने जो expect किया था वो result नहीं आया. They are confused that do I repeat a year, do I not repeat a year? And one of the biggest hurdles that students face is that there is a little bit of family pressure or the family is worried about the student. Now understand your families are worried about you and that is why वो बोल रहे हैं that जो college मिल रहा है ले लो या फिर whatever they are trying to tell you. या फिर repeat मत करो या फिर एग्जाम मत दो कुछ और चेंज कर लो. Now this is I'm talking to all the students who genuinely want to study and get to a better college and they are personally ready to do it. Many of my students have called me and told me that sir parents को convince करना है and I have talked to many of the parents and convinced them that why is it worth it. I tell my story, I tell a lot of other things. So tonight I'm keeping this session which will be for your parents. So what you guys can do is you can register on this link and you can bring your parents to the session. आज रात को 8 बजे मैं वो session लूंगा. So probably most of your parents might be home and your parents can live ask me all the doubts that they have. I will explain a few topics like what are the reasons that you can repeat, benefits है, worth है, किसके लिए worth है, किसके लिए worth नहीं है. अगर तुम रिपीट करते हो तो what will be the chance that तुम उसको properly utilize कर पाओगे. And repeating first of all is not just your uh, work for you, it is work for them too if you are repeating and if they are allowing you to repeat. I will also explain that how they help you to perform well if you are repeating. It's a entire family effort that goes in because finally benefit पूरा family को मिलता है. So that is what I'm going to explain them in detail. फैमिली थिंकिंग कैसे उनके जो इनहिबिशंस है जो भी उनको रिजर्वेशंस है प्रॉब्लम्स है उनके दिमाग में सारी चीजें कि सही है गलत है कैसे हेल्प होगा क्या ये जरूरी है ये सारी चीजें मैं उनको समझाऊंगा. एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट आई विल हैव अ कंप्लीट डाउट सेशन जिसमें पेरेंट्स कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं. सो एंड ऑल्सो आई विल एक्सप्लेन व्हाट आर द करियर ग्रोथ चॉइसेस डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट कॉलेजेस यू गो टू. ये साल जो कॉलेज मिल रहा है वो ले लोगे या फिर नेक्स्ट ईयर कॉलेज लोगे अच्छी कॉलेज लोगे. तो आई विल एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग दैट हाउ कैन दैट वर्क एंड हाउ विल इट वर्क इन योर फेवर एंड हाउ दे हैव टू हेल्प यू अचीव योर गोल्स. तो उसके लिए मैं आज सेशन रख रहा हूँ. टुडे इट विल बी एट 8 o'clock. ये सारे टॉपिक्स मैं कवर करूंगा एंड आई विल आंसर एवरी डाउट दैट योर पेरेंट्स हैव. I will try to help you convince them if you want to genuinely repeat a year. And I will help even you understand that is it worth repeating a year. किनके लिए वर्थ है किनके लिए नहीं वर्थ है वो सब कुछ मैं समझाऊंगा. So I hope to see you guys there. I hope to see your parents out there. And I'll genuinely try my best to help you out as much as possible. Chalo. Bye guys. See you in the session tonight.